Manual invoice processing is slow, error-prone, and costly. Finance teams spend hours on data entry, validation, and chasing approvals. 𝐊𝐶 automates this process accurately and effortlessly. It starts with a purchase order already in the system and goods received, but the invoice is pending. The automation kicks in when a supplier invoice arrives. If it comes by email, Power Automate Flow provides the PDF to AI Builder as an action. Got a physical invoice? No problem. The team scans it, and the file is automatically saved to SharePoint. From there, AI Builder extracts details like vendor name, invoice number, date, and line items, saves them in an Excel sheet, and Power Automate Desktop Flow logs into Dynamics 365. To validate and post the invoice, updating the match status. And if something goes wrong, the system auto-retries and notifies the admin, so the AI keeps getting smarter. Everything is monitored in real time, and the solution supports 40+ global languages. The result? Faster approvals. Fewer errors, lower costs. Full visibility 24/7. Smarter finance operations start here with 𝐊𝐶.